Charts looking spooky, candles doing witchcraft. Nasdaq waving at me, specter in the riffraff. Gold got the treasure buried deep like a tomb. Market makers lurking, shadows in the dark room. Fear of liquidation got me sweating nightly chills. Margin calls echo like echoes in the hills. Screens glow, eerie numbers on a dark stage. I'm trying to make a living, break out of this cage. Trades by slate, hard in the tickers. Every move precise like nighttime tricksters. Wind stack tall amidst the twilight fade. Trades by slate, ghostly serenade. Watch them candles bleed like fangs in the mist. Intraday terror, every trade's a twist. Market ghouls whisper, trying to snatch my soul, but I'm steady on the grind, pockets full of gold. Creeping through the charts, shadows in disguise. Haunted by the graphs, fear in my eyes. Every trade a thriller, heartbeats, quick pace. Victory in sight, I ain't falling from grace. Trades by slate, hard in the tickers. Every move precise like nighttime tricksters. Wind stack tall amidst the twilight fade. Trades by slate, ghostly serenade.
Yo, what's up, guys? What up, what up, what up? How's everybody doing this morning? We about to just get on into it here. Let's come draw up gold over here. Yeah, they're supposed to be Halloween themed. I don't know. We'll do it for 4 days. We'll do it for 4 days. Supposed to be Halloween themed candles. But I don't know. I don't know. We'll see. We'll see. Yo. Thanks for the sub. We're just getting everything drawn out here. We're getting everything drawn out. Let's see. Bang, bang. All right, that'll be good for right now. Now we'll come back over here. Now we'll come back over here. Bang. Hey, so apparently London is already on daylight savings time or something, so it doesn't open for another 45 minutes here. Apparently. I don't know. Can anybody confirm that? London doesn't open, it opens an hour later because they already did daylight savings time, apparently. I don't know. We don't do it till next week over here in the USA, so that's just what I'm hearing. Let me make sure everything's set up over here. Nope, it's not. Glad I checked. All right, now we're set up. Look at this, bounced off of this line right here. See if it's gonna break upward and keep on going up. Kind of ranging right now though. Fake out here. Okay, we should be getting the profit trade payout this today, hopefully. We got the Rise invite link, and I heard they do payouts on Monday, so if all things go well, hopefully should be getting that today. So we'll see about that. Then we got this here. Got something going on here. See what's going on. I kind of want to drop YM too, but yeah, coffee. So on that picture you sent at the top, there's that red line, and I'm guessing the dark green is when it opens, and so it looks like it's still like 40 minutes away from that. You see that bar at the top with that red line? It looks like that red line's still about 40 minutes away or so. Look at this. Did a little fake out. This is why I've been waiting on bars to close below these lines. Did a little fake out right here. Bang, bang. All right, while it's doing that, let me go check out the YM. I want to draw it up. I want to draw up the YM over here. Bang, bang. Bang, bang. Let's go, coffee. I actually read something right. Bada bing, bada boom, bada boom, bada bing. All right, so I guess this is kind of what I'm seeing here. I mean, nothing crazy. NQ looks. Let's go over here to the 1 minute. Let's see what it's gonna do here. I like this chart setup a little bit better. Let's see, let's see, let's see. All right. Close down below there. And there it goes. No top wick on this bad boy though. Gold coming down here, buddy. Gold, sure. Guess I could have drawn from there to there. Oh man. I'll be right back. All right, we're back. This movement's kind of crazy right here, huh? I'd imagine this candle came up to close this little gap right here. This movement's kind of crazy right here. And now it's going down. But I don't know. That was my phone doing the echo. Yeah, looks like we might have missed this one. Kind of came back a little late. Oh well, there'll be other trades. Be fine. It'll be just fine, boys. I wish I would have taken that though. I was thinking about it, but then I had this gap right here and I didn't come back. I was waiting on it to close the gap, but then I had to, ain't gonna lie, I had to go use the bathroom real quick. I don't know. It might get crazy. Let's come look at gold. Maybe YM. I don't really know what's going on over here. Looking a little crazy. YM's looking a little bit crazy here. I guess on the YM, draw something like that, but it's still way up there. Gold. NQ here. Look at it popping all the. It's just moving all around. The NQ. NQ's moving all around. It's just moving all around here, buddy. Let me see if this is a valid line here. Yep, pretty valid. It bounced off of there. Bang, bang, in between there. And we got the YM just coming up here. See if we draw a new one here. Something like that's right there on the YM. NQ's just looking crazy. Oh yeah, I don't even know when that goes into effect though, Coffee. When is it? Because my first payout, I got 100% of it. Oh, you're talking about 20% consistency rule. Oh yeah. Yeah. For it kind of helps me, and I don't like it in some ways. So like it helps me because once I get my profit target for the day, I just call it, I just end it. And then I don't overtrade and like end up losing money. But also it kind of stinks because, you know, it's 20% consistency, so you can't have those big winning days. Yeah. Yeah, I know what you're talking about. The 20% consistency rule. Yeah. I mean, I haven't had a problem with it. It hasn't been like something major. Because when I just hit my profit target for the day, I just call it a quits. But also, I can also see why most people wouldn't like it. So X Futures, I got the Rise invitation yesterday, and so on their website it says they pay out on Mondays. So I'm hoping to get it in my Rise account today. Hoping to get the payout in my Rise account today. I kind of need to be drawing it up on the MNQ though. I think I'll do that because that's where I'm going to be taking the trade. Now I got to redraw all this on the I wish I could just copy and paste them. Let me try it. Control C. It didn't really work, but close enough. Oh man. All right. That'll be good. Right there. Oh, on it. I had another one right going up right through there. Whatever. Oh yeah, dude. Well, at least right now they're better than FTT. They're better than FTT right now. But yeah, I'd appreciate it if you use my code. That'd help out a lot. But yeah, I'm liking Tradeify. Uh, I mean, especially on the payouts, it took 13 minutes from me requesting till it was in my Rise account. Coming into this little triangle here. Might have, if it was missed a little short entry right here, but it's just kind of moving around, kind of crazy. Right now I'm using Profit Trade and Tradeify, but I'm not really promoting Profit Trade right now because I'm waiting to get paid out. I don't really like to promote prop firms until I get paid out, but hopefully after today, I would say Tradeify, either I have the 50K and the 150K.
their sales ending like November 1st or something. I'm probably gonna pick up some more Tradeify accounts before the sale ends. But either the 50K or 150K, whatever you're more comfortable with, I'd say. I like both of them. I have one 50K and then two 150K accounts right here. Let's see which way it's gonna break out right here. Starts breaking out of this long right here. We might have a long position. Hey, really like your videos. I got a question. Will you stick to trend lines for a long time, or you are just experimenting? I'm wondering because in your older videos you did ICT. Yeah, I mean, I'm really liking the trend lines. I think trading's more about psychology anyway. So I think if you just find a simple strategy that works, a simple strategy that works, it's mainly about can you take your stop out? And do you know when to exit the trade? So if you can find a strategy that tells you, or it's pretty easy, clear exactly where you should get out, both in profit and in drawdown, then I think just stick with that strategy. And right now, I'm really liking the trend lines for that strategy. I know exactly where to get out and where to get in. So I'm probably just gonna stick with these until, I mean, I don't know, as long as I'm doing well with them. The only reason I switch up strategies is when I go into like a little slump. But hopefully I'll stick with this one because I don't know. I know this one is proven because I learned this one from like a 25-year real life trader. So it's proven. So we'll see. I don't know how to pronounce your name. Quate. So here in 13 minutes is when the London stock market will open. I use dynamic support and resistance lines. Honestly, to each their own. Yeah, exactly, coffee. Yeah, whatever. Just find something that works for you and use it till you don't like it, I guess. Just use it till you don't like it. All right, we're coming into this little triangle here. Let's see which way it's going to go.
Let's see which way it's gonna go. Wow, look at that rejection right there. That's crazy. That's crazy. Look at this crazy rejection here. It's moving around kind of wild. It's moving around a little wild right now. That's why I've been liking waiting for a close on, especially on the 1 minute. As long as you have something that can give you volume, momentum, trend following, and trend confirming is really all it takes. Yes, sir. Exactly. Let's see. It might have been a little fake out here to go short. Let's see if that's what it was. Right, it's trying to stay in this little triangle right here. Yeah, it's really slow here. I'm guessing in about 10 minutes it might start picking up. The open hour later today. Yeah, it looks like the shorts were it, maybe. Maybe. See, we could have entered up here somewhere when it started breaking over in here. We could have entered, but I was away at the moment. If it starts to come back up here, I may enter a short, but it looks like it's just gonna go. I like to wait on a close. Is it gonna close below there? Looks like it. Alrighty, we got in there just in time, looks like. Coming down here, is it gonna bounce off of this line? Look at all the lines we got on the screen here. Break out of this one and we're going down. Break out of there. Break out of there and we're going down. Come on, do it. Just break out of there to the downside. Starting to bounce here off of this trend line. This LOC line might have been a good spot to take profit. Let's see though. Let's see if we're gonna come back up here. Could possibly come back up and start breaking this, because this is the longer term LOC line right here, and it did come down to that. I probably just should have took the profits right there, but I was looking for a bigger move. But we'll see. We will see here. Let's see. We close above here. I'm going to close the trade. All right. I'm out of there. Out of the trade. Didn't do what we wanted. So we closed it. Closed it right there. Small little loser. Small little loser right there. May even look for a long here. Coming right back down here, just kind of playing around. I'm gonna wait on the open. I'm okay with that. It's a small loser. We'll take it. I mean, only 38 bucks there. 33.50. It's not bad. Just need one more winning trade here. Just that to right there. We're gonna wait on 3 minutes here, see what the open brings us. Looks like it's coming up. I'll just leave this here. Let me take a screenshot of this actually. And let me put make this red. And let me add these up real quick. $116.10 plus 7 plus 33.5. 304.4. So let me put a text box right here. minus 304.40. Let me add a note. Entered on break of upward LOC line. And it's coming back down here. It's just playing around. Closed on break downward LOC line. All right, let me take a screenshot of this. This chart's kind of looking crazy right here, but it'll work. Boom. The London just opened. So now we'll just see what happens here. We'll put this, we'll adjust this line to right there. There it is, starting to come down. Is it gonna break down now and we just got a little faked out? It's gonna break down now and we just got a little bit faked out. Yeah, kind of just chopping around. I mean, you can tell from these candles right here, it's not great price action. I mean, maybe when London starts to get going here, start changing it up a bit. There it is, starting to come down now. Guess I should have gave it a little bit of wiggle room, but wasn't really feeling it, so I just I'm working on cutting my losses early, so that's why I closed the trade. I'm working on cutting them early, and some of that you're gonna miss out on some wiggle room. But I'd rather have small losses and just take them and miss a few good trades than have big old losses trying to hold it. But looky there, if we would have held it, it'd been coming down here now. Oh well, missed out on that one, it looks like. Come over here, gold starting to come down. What's the YM doing here? YM, if we would have took it on that break, had a nice little move down. About the same thing as NQ. NQ really coming down here now. Dang, should have gave that, guess, a little more wiggle room. Would have had us a nice trade. Oh well, you know, you win some, you lose some. You win some, you lose some here. We'll find another trade here later on. No big deal. That's what it's looking like. The buyers are leaving the building. I can delete this line here now. Don't need it. Don't need it. See if there's a better line I can draw here closer to price. No, it kind of looks like that's it. I wonder if we're going to come fill this gap here. That's what I was thinking. While I was looking for shorts, I may look for a re-entry on a short. But we did just break this. Wonder if we're going to come all the way down here or not. We'll see. I'm just going to leave it for right now. Wait on stuff to play out a little bit. Oh well, oh well. Fix this here. Make this 4 to 415. Oh yeah, appreciate it. Yeah, it is pretty cozy in here. It is pretty cozy in here. I don't care, dude. I'm happy. I'm happy with this trade. Because I followed my plan. And that is what I was looking to do this week, is follow my plan better. See, I had this downward line right here. It didn't respect it, closed above it, so I closed the trade. So I'm happy, man. I don't care if it's coming down now. I don't even care. It's just price is gonna do what it does. Sometimes you just get faked out. You know? See, but I'd say it's still looking good for the shorts. Come up here. Maybe start coming up here. Look for another short entry. YM starting to break down here now. YM starting to break below here. This would have been a nice, oops. On the YM up here would have been a nice short. Right here. Bang. Let's see if it's going to bounce off of this little kind of longer term. It looks like it's coming down, no? Come back over here. Yeah, it looks like it's just going to run down now. It looks like it's just going to come on down. That might have been the pullback to come down. Maybe it's something like maybe it's something like this. Oops. I don't know. Maybe it's something like that. But I don't know. I'm in the standard.
would be kind of something like that. But it looks like it's just gonna go down. She's running. There she goes. She's going down, going down. Man, oh man. Of course. The one day I cut a loss early. See, this is what messes with my mind here. When I cut, try to cut losses early. Whatever, dude. Running down here now.
Golly. Golly. There goes the YM going down too. All just coming down here. We got a little fair value gap right here. See what happens right here. It's gonna close above there. Nope, close below it. Might keep going down here now. Closing above here now. Is it gonna keep on coming down here? I mean, technically, you could do something like this. Now it's starting to break out of there. Go up a little bit, but who knows how far. Probably at least up until here. Yep. Bada bing, bada boom. Yeah. Yeah. I'm about to have this 15-minute opening range right here formed, and then we'll see kind of which way it may want to go. Yeah, it broke these inner lows right here, and then it did a fair value gap, inversed it. So it could just keep on going all the way up until here, even to here. May just keep on going up. Inversed a fair value gap right here. But it did just hit these internal highs. So that's the first target. And let's see what happens right here. It's just going to keep on going and break up here now. Is it going to come up and kind of start to reject? Who knows? Who knows? I'm just here to watch for a few minutes and then maybe get an entry into something. Check out a 3-minute here. We got a 3-minute fair value gap right here. We're at a 5-minute. Yep, 5-minute right here. It's inside of right now. See if it kind of starts to reject these, or if it's just going to keep on going up. Looks like it's just literally ranging around. We're in a big old range right here, it looks like. So not really a trending market here. Let's see what happens here. Let's see. YM starting to come back up here as well. Oh, MNQ. Oh yeah, breaking back up here. So we'll just delete this one. And boom, this will be our downward line. It's breaking back inside of this upward line. Looky here, coming up now. See what's gonna happen right here. Ooh, what's gonna happen here? There it goes, going up now. Boom, breaking out of this. Now coming up here. Is it gonna break this longer term one here? I was thinking about entering on this fair value get this inverse here, but didn't take the trade. Thinking about entering when this candle right here pulled back. Looks like I should have, but I did not do it. And if you look here though, we're just in a big old range, honestly. Need to break out of it. Need to break out of it. Get all of it straight up here. No pullback really. I think I'm gonna give these buys a shot. Give these buys a shot. To there. Here we go, coming down now. Getting weed whacked around. Getting weed whacked around here. What's up, Slick Messy? How's it going? Took a small little loser over here. Ended up what ended up playing out. Now we just entered along here. Not looking good right now. But we'll see. Might have to close this one early too. We'll see on this one. Hopefully it broke up above this downward LOC line. So, but I mean, honestly, I don't know if I should even be trading because we're in like this big old range here. But we will see. Let's see if we can come up here. See if we can come up. Targeting up in here somewhere. Those highs right there. See if we come up. See if we can come up now. Do have this downward line right here though. Let's see. See if we can start to come up here a little bit. Make back our money. Make back what we're down today. From this first loser over here. We'll see though. Could just turn around and start coming down here. We're looking for it to go up though, up to here. That's what we're looking for. That's what we're looking for on this trade. Coming back down. We're gonna take 2 losers today. Or is it gonna come up for us? Just a pullback here. Just a pullback to come up. In this little triangle here, can we start to break out? It's been faking out this triangle quite a bit. So not ideal conditions. Been faking out our lines all morning. Just been faking them out. It's just been faking out our lines here. Can we start to push up now, go run all this? Or is it just gonna play around? Playing around here, coming down, coming down. Yeah, we're playing around this morning. Playing around. It's just playing around. What's a K cluster? What's a K cluster? Sorry, Coffee, I don't know what that is. Coffee's sending me charts in the Discord. Telling me a K cluster. Not really sure what that is, though. Look at us just faking out all these. I mean, I guess I could adjust this line. It's not really a line anymore, but I still leave it there. Can we go up here? Can we start going up here now? Are we gonna start going up? All right, now we can add a new line right here. Kind of right in there somewhere. Watch it consolidate between 630 and 640. Yeah, that'd be our luck. Breaking out of this 15-minute range here, so hopefully it can start going up now. Would look nice. Come on, dude. You broke up. Now just go up. Come on, don't play around with our hearts. Don't pull on our heartstrings here. Go up. Go up. Go up. Ah. Come on. All right, I'm out of there. I wanted to get green on the day. I'm okay, back green. Now we have our money to play with, and let's see if it keeps continuing to go up here. Looks good to go up, but when I get green, I like to just lock in my money. So now I'm back green on the day, and I have my money to play with. So I'm just gonna lock that in. Have my money to play with now. Now let me, I'm not really. So it probably is gonna go up here. Let me write some notes out. Entered a buy on exited second. Green. Okay. Now, okay. Let me take a picture of this. Look at it starting to go up here. Probably could have held that, but we'll see if it does. I took a screenshot of that, so now we can move the target. Let's see if it would have hit our target. Let's see if it would go up here and hit our target. Jay says, what's your take on ICT method? I have nothing against it. I mean, I like the ICT. I mean, I think a lot of strategies work. It's just, can you handle it psychology? I'll take a look at that in a minute. Coffee killer. I'm actually curious about that. Shows prices happy places. Heck yeah. I'll check that out in a few when I get off. But yeah, Jay, I mean, I actually kind of like the ICT method. Mainly I like, my favorite ICT is inverses. So if we would have taken this inverse right here, look at this whole move we would have gotten. So this is an inverse, and then bang. A lot of times though, I mean, you have to take them in the right times. You have to know like, hey, we took out this liquidity here and then it inverse, so it has a chance to go up. But then in your mind, you're also like, well, I don't know, because we didn't take out this liquidity, so is this liquidity enough? And I don't know. Some of the stuff can just be a little, I want to keep the simplest strategy I can. So these LOC lines, simple enough for me. They're simple enough. They work. I know when to get out. So that's what I like about them. Let's see if it comes up and hits this target up here. And now with these lines here, let me adjust them. My new exit would be when it starts to break this. See how it started making a new trend? It's trending up now. So then I draw my new LOC line, and then my new exit would be when it starts to break this LOC line. So if it comes down here and breaks it right here, I would be out of the trade. So yeah, I watched the whole trading template course. I'm about to watch it again, just because I like the way that guy talks, man. He's like, I don't know, something about the way older people talk, man. It's very, it's very like calming. I like the way he talks about psychology a lot, because it doesn't take much to
it doesn't take much to teach a trend line strategy. So his main thing in his course is about psychology. Like the first couple videos are about the trend lines, but mainly about psychology, which is, I think everybody needs to watch. But yeah, I watched the whole thing. About to go back and rewatch some. But yeah, I'm glad we turned back. We're back green on the day, so let's go. I'm happy about that. This one, waiting on a payout, don't have much drawdown. Let's see if this goes up here to our target. Let's see if it would have hit our target. I'm already out of this trade. If you just don't know, I got out when I turned green on the day. Because we took this small little loser over here. Then I got out when we turned green over here. So, but we're just going to wait and see if it comes up to our target, our original target. And let's just see. Let's just wait and see. I don't really take the bounces. I mean, you can, but I like more taking the breakouts of the trend line. So see, like this is the downward line. We broke out of here, so then I took a long. Same thing here. This is the downward line. But I don't really see. I was actually kind of worried about taking this one because I don't like to take them when they have a big move up like this. I more so like to take them like right in here. See how it's coming down? See how it's coming down? I would have drawn this LOC line, something like, well, that wasn't right. I would have drawn it something like this right here. I would have drawn it something like this. Whatever, something like that. And then when it breaks out, then I would have taken the long. But this one was actually kind of a fake out. A few fake outs here. Let me see up here, actually. Okay, look, I think, let's go look. Bang, full target would have been hit. Oh well. We're still green, man. Look at there. Bang, would have got hit. All right, let me actually, this is actually a good note-taking point here. Sorry, it's gonna look crazy for a minute. Trying to get my notes back. Where's my notes? There we go. All right. Put this right here. And then say full target would have been hit. All right, now this is a now let me take a picture of this. All right, so my full target would have been hit. And then if I was in a live account, I'd still be in the trade. But on the live account, I would stay in until this line here got broken. And then if it's, you see how it's steepened right here a little bit? I could have came in, kind of steepened it up a little bit if I wanted to. And now if this line gets broken right here, I'd been out of the trade.
So if I was on a live account, this is how I'd be doing it. I'd have this line drawn up, or I would have taken it at that area, like I said, if I liked the money. But got this upward line right here. Then it makes it steepens a little bit, so I'd steepen it, and when it starts to break this line, I would close it. Sometimes you can play the underside of the downtrend to catch the bottom. You usually would want a horizontal support and play well for confirmation. Yeah, let me actually go draw some horizontal supports. So we got some, whatever, man. Kind of got some right here actually, so somewhere right in there, horizontal, right in there. Got a lot of them down here. Right in there. So that's kind of the horizontals we got. Kind of the range we're working in. Okay, so technically, I'd be out right here if I was in a live account, because it just broke this upward line. And if you're taking ICT strategy, depending on which one you're taking, you might even fit closes below this. You could probably enter a short on the ICT because it'd be an inversion. It's my old strategy, but I don't play that anymore. I mean, I do sometimes, but if it lines up with the lines. Vanity's taking the IFVG. Are you taking it? Are you taking along? Because I know that's like the 2022 model. The 2022 model is you wait for it to come into a fair value gap and then the continuation. So, oh no, you said IFVG. Sorry. Vanity's waiting on this to close. Or did you take this one? There's two of them right here next to each other. Did you take this one? I would have probably waited on this one. Just because when there's two next to each other, you kind of want to look for one time frame. Probably the 2 minute. Yeah. That's the better one. Yep. So if it closed below here, it would look pretty nice for some shorts. I don't care. Yeah, I feel that Vanity about to cancel the order. I don't care, dude. I like my trades for today. Even though this one eventually came down, at the time it looked like it could have went up. So at the time of this, so right in here. So let me see. So right here, I feel like this was a good close right here. Because I entered here. It was breaking out of this downward LOC line right here. So then I closed it. Feel good about that. And then it ended up coming down, which, okay. Can't do anything about that. So then it started coming back up here, broke above here, took a buy, and then boom. We got out here when we had our money back, made a little bit of profit, but it would have hit our full target. Full target was right here. Would have hit it. So I'm actually happy with the day, man. I'm glad that I showed myself I can accept a loss. It's one thing you got to look for something to be proud of yourself of every day. Today I'm proud. I showed myself I can accept a loss. So let's go, man. Accepted that loss like a champion. And that was
a very tight, look right here, from here to there. That's very tight. That's very tight. So that's fine with me. Then enter this and bang. We got out right here though. Let's go, man. All right, dude. I don't know. I might take some trades during New York session. We'll see. I may not though, because I basically just need to wait on these, especially on these Tradeify accounts. They're at payout, man. I don't even know why I'm trading them. These accounts are at payout, just waiting on November 1st. So I'm probably not going to trade these. I may actually, I'm not going to trade this one either. Just going to wait on the stream in the morning, but I'm done for today. Going to make some videos and stuff. But yeah. Hope you guys enjoyed the stream, a little Halloween session going on. But make sure you join the Discord down below. Let me know how you're doing. If you want to buy any prop firm accounts, use code SLADE. Got the links in the description and stuff. But yeah, hope you enjoyed the stream. We managed our risk very nicely today. And yeah, got some money to play with tomorrow morning. All right, boys, I'll see you. Peace.
Charts looking spooky, candles doing witchcraft, NASDAQ waving at me, specter in the riffraff. Gold got the treasure buried deep like a tomb, market makers lurking, shadows in the dark room. Fear of liquidation got me sweating nightly chills, margin calls echo like echoes in the hills. Screens glow, eerie numbers on a dark stage. I'm trying to make a living, break out of this cage. Trades by Slade, haunting the tickers. Every move precise like nighttime tricksters. Spin stack tall amidst the twilight fade. Trades by Slade, ghostly serenade. Watch them candles bleed like fangs in the mist. Intraday terror, every trade's a twist. Market ghouls whisper, trying to snatch my soul, but I'm steady on the grind, pockets full of gold. Creeping through the charts, shadows in disguise, haunted by the graphs, fear in my eyes. Every trade a thriller, heartbeats, quick pace, victory in sight. I ain't falling from grace. Trades by Slade, haunting